Okay, so let's work out how to put together a video all about food. So we go down to the plus and we scroll down to video here and let this one load. Give it a title and I'll go to food. I'll say food, French. There we go. Click next. I'm going to start from scratch because I'm going to tell you how to use this. Click there. Now there is a tutorial that you can watch, but I'm going to show you how to do it, but it is very useful if you ever need to. But I'm going to click the X here. And here we go. Here's where the magic happens. So we've got slides down the bottom. You can add slides in as you need to. You can also change the layout if you ever need to as well by clicking and holding, dragging it where you want to go. But I'm going to start off with this first slide and let me show you. Here's where I've written all of my words here. So I'm going to start off with this one. I'm just going to copy it, put it into some text. Now you don't have to put it all in. You can take some of it out if you think that that's appropriate. But you can also add, obviously, rather than just being text, because that's quite boring, you can add in a background as well. So I'm going to I'm going to go to the free photos section and I'm just going to look for Apple. And you can see on my work that actually I've already put my search terms in. So I'm going to look for Apple on this one. And I think this one looks like a good one to me. I'm happy with that. Cool. Now you can change the size of the text if you really want to. If you think, do you know what, I'd rather people saw the apples than all of that text, just click on it. You can bring it down to as big or as small as you like. And then when you're happy with it, you can also reposition it. So I'm going to reposition it to the top left there. And then you can see everything in all its glory. Next, it's time to record my voiceover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold the microphone button, and then I'm going to speak, and then when I'm ready, I'm going to let go. Salut, je m'appelle Pierre. Normalement, je mange une pomme tous les jours parce que c'est bon pour la santé. There we go. Done the first one. Very easy, very simple. Go to the second one. This is slide 2. I don't eat pineapples because they're disgusting. So I've got pineapple and disgusting as words that I can search for when I'm looking for some media to put alongside my text. Okay, so I can, maybe one of the things I could do actually is, I'd not thought about doing this, but this would be good, I think. If I took just disgusting there, I could put that as my text. Now I could put it as a caption if I wanted to, and that would give it a kind of a little box. You'll see when I put a photo behind, because I'm talking about pineapple here. And if I choose, I mean, I can choose any of these really. I wonder what that one's like. It's maybe a bit big for what I'm looking for. Maybe this one, a pineapple on a beach. Who doesn't like a pineapple on a beach? Fantastic. And I'm also going to drag this caption and put it into the top left there. Now, like I say, you don't have to put all the text on there, but you do have to put your voiceover on. So let's put that on now. Mais je ne mange pas d'ananas car c'est dégoûtant. Okay, now if you want to re-record at any point, you can just press and hold and re-record it. It'll just go straight over the top. It'll delete the last one. That's fine. Okay, slide number 3. What have we got? I drink orange juice because it's sugary. And copy that there. Maybe I will put in the text in this one. So I'll put the photo in first. So rather than pineapple, we'll go for orange. Let me spell it right. Orange juice. Okay, cool. That one looks good to me. Happy with that. Click there. Push the text one. Maybe I'll make it a little bit smaller. That'll do. And if I click off, let it load, and then I can drag it into the top right. I feel like that's probably a little bit better. Maybe I'll even make it a bit smaller. There we go. That's cool. Okay, and again, I can do my voiceover. Je bois du jus d'orange parce que c'est sucré. Okay, nice. And then slide 4, I'm talking about I don't drink coffee because it's bad for your health. Now what I'll show you how to do here is I'll show you how to do a split screen. So on one side I could put an do you know what I'll do is I'll put on one side I'll put a photo. So I'll put coffee here. What's that one like? Yeah, that's like coffee beans. I like that. That's good. That works well. And then on the left hand side here, I can put some text here. Maybe I'll do that one there, and then I can play around with the size of it as well. Cependant, je ne bois pas de café parce que c'est mauvais pour la santé. Now you'll have heard me stumble in that one, so I think, do you know what, I'm going to re-record that one. Now I can actually remove narration by clicking there if I wanted to, and then I'm going to go back here, press and hold, and go for it again. Cependant, je ne bois pas de café parce que c'est mauvais pour la santé. Okay, cool, nailed it that time. And then all I've got is the last one here, slide 5, and this is talking about strawberry and lemonade, so they're the kind of different ones that I can search for. And I think on this one I will go for like a big photo again here. I think I'll go for strawberry. There we go. That one looks good to me. And then I'll pop some text in as well, but in order to do that I'll change the layout to a caption. Similarly to how I did it here, this is a caption. This is just normal text. And this one I'm going to do caption text. I can paste in all of my text if I want, or just a small selection if I think that's better. Maybe I'll bring the size down a bit. Nicely done. And then I can, again, just change where that sits and do my voiceover. Le week-end dernier, j'ai mangé des framboises et j'ai bu de la limonade. C'était très savoureux. Okay. Now, a couple of other things that I can do here. I can put some music on. I can preview any of these by pressing the little play button. That's now playing in my earphones. I can hear that. And when I'm ready for the one that I want to choose, once you've selected the one you want, you just press the text, and then that automatically goes into your video. Now, if you want to check any slides for like your voiceover and stuff, just go to the slides you want, press play. I can hear this in my headphones. I can hear my voiceover here as well. But if you want to see the whole thing and see what it's like from start to finish, press the play button in the bottom left. There we go. And when you're ready and you're happy with what you've got, you can press share here, publish, and then you can just create link there. It's got my title, it's got my name as the author, and then create link. You might have to wait for a couple of minutes for that to come through, but once it does, you can copy the link that now exists on its own web page, which you can share with other people, your teacher, fellow students, or you can use Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams to add it to an assignment. If you ever make any changes, like in the text or in the photos or anything like that, and you have to update, then you'll have to go to share and publish again. And then if you've made some alterations, press republish link, and then wait for that to push through. Okay, good luck.